Today, Mahadeva is gracing us in a unique Leela, Vanniyum, Kinarum, Lingamum, Sakshi Sonnavadalam. It means calling the Vanni tree and the Shivalinga and well to give a witness in the court. He comes even as a witness in the court to remove the legal cases on the devotees. Sakshi Sonna Badalam. The story is, it's a very beautiful story, very sweet story. There was a merchant in Kaveri Delta in Chola Kingdom who told that his daughter has to be given in marriage to the merchant whom he named. Actually, the merchant told his daughter should be married to another one guy who is his close relative living in Madurai. And the merchant died. They brought that Madurai guy to Kaveri Delta and gave this girl to him, saying that you please take her to Madurai and marry her. So both of them have started traveling towards Madurai. On the way, in a place called Tirupurambiyam, they had darshan of Tirupurambiyanathar and they have nowhere to stay. They asked the local priest, temple priest, where we can stay. The priest said, don't worry, stay in the temple itself. There is a Vanni tree under which you can sleep and temple kitchen will give you food. Both of them were sleeping under that Vanni tree. Unfortunately, a snake bit the man and the man died. This girl, literally orphaned because father is no more and would-be husband, the husband who is going to be, is also no more, feeling orphaned. She cries to Mahadeva, Tirupurambiyam Mahadeva Shiva. At that time, Tirunjana Sambandar was in the monastery just near the temple. It's a monastery complex. Even now the temple and monastery complex belongs to Madurai Adinam. And he heard the story and he rushed to the spot and sang a song about Mahadeva. Immediately the man came back to life. Man came back to life and poison could not do anything to him. He came back to life and so Jnanasambandar blesses both of them and says, get married here itself in front of the Tirupurambiyam Shiva. They also felt Jnanasambandar's presence is there, let us get married here itself. And they both got married in the Jnanasambandar's presence and in the presence of Shivalinga, the Tirupurambiyam Mahadeva. And both of them went to Madurai, settled in Madurai. After a long time, the merchant who married her, he also died. Now it is the time for sharing the property. Problem came between two wives. This guy was already married. Even though he was already married, because of the father's will, the girl also was given to him as second marriage. I think all of you understand the story. I think I missed this point. The merchant who was supposed to marry this girl was already married, so it's a second marriage. Now this guy also died. Both wives, the problem property issue started. Both wives' sons have started the property problem. They go to the Pandya's court. Suddenly the first wife accused the second wife was not a legal wife, legitimate wife. There was no witness for her marriage. And actually there is no witness, living witness, because Jnanasamundar left the body by that time. And Shivalinga is the only witness. Finally, the second wife cried and prayed in front of Sundareshwara, Mahadeva, you are the witness. Because she cried, Mahadeva appeared in human form in the Pandya court and said, I am the witness. And these fellows, the Pandya king and the court fellows, because Mahadeva appears every once in a while, they did not even bother about Mahadeva's witness. They said, you come and tell whatever you want when your devotees cry and call you. Come on, you give us some more witnesses who are witness that you are the witness. Then Mahadeva laughs and says, the well and the Vanni tree and the Shivalinga of Tirupurambiyam, all three are the witness. All the fellows in the court laughed and said, will all the three come here and register their witness? Mahadeva orders, let it happen, and all three appeared, materialized themselves in the Pandya's court, which was a Madurai temple also, which is Madurai temple, which was Pandya's court. All the three appeared and gave the witness, and still all the three are there in Madurai temple. Linga and the Vanni tree and the well, and I did my best to get information about that well. Even the people who are in this field of construction and archaeology, they say, this well does not seem to have been dug, Swamiji. Suddenly it materialized. Because nowhere the construction or digging evidence is there. As if the whole thing appeared at a time. So, very miraculous happening. Still the evidence is there. Then, naturally, the second wife also got the legitimate wife title and the property. So, from that moment, Tirupurambiyam Shiva is called as Sakshinatha Swami. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.